Hello and welcome back with me, all my YouTube viewers all around the world, to Yip Yip Yummy, Easy Cooking Happy Living, and you are again with me, Toby, in my third videos. Today I have something special to share with you because this is Christmas edition. Trust me, even though I don't have any decoration behind me, but we are celebrating Christmas. And that's why I post my videos exactly on this weekend, on the Christmas day, where we can celebrate this special moment with our beloved ones, with our family, once in a year. Ooh, it's very cold here. Yeah, I forget to close the window. Okay, but for me personally, Christmas always means warm. And to complete the warmth of our Christmas celebration, let us make melted cheese baked bread and eat it together with our family. How many of you love eating cheese? And how many of you are big fans of cheese? Wow, unbelievable, uncountable amount of people out there who love cheese. But before we jump to the next section, as always, if you love my videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and to click the subscribe button below to help supporting my channel. So come on and let's join me to the process of making our melted cheese baked bread come true. Now let's get started with the ingredients that we're gonna use in these cooking videos. Here I use 2 slices of smoked ham and special cheese, Cascaval cheese. It's a Turkish style cheese that can easily melt. I use par baked bread. This is a par baked split roll. Here I use grated Tilsiter cheese that are not easily melted when we bake it, so it will stay as a crusted layer on the surface of the bread. And besides that, we also used diced smoked ham to enhance the smokiness. Now let's start by cutting out the middle part of the bread. And then now the cheese. We divide the cheese into 2 big blocks. And that's it! Let's assemble all the ingredients that we have mentioned before. As the first layer, let us put the smoked ham on top of each bread. And here comes the tomato sauce. Remember, tomato sauce here is very important because it will add a sourness to it, or unless you'll end up having whole baked bread just tastes salty. Here comes the 2 big cheese blocks. Now let's spread the diced ham on the top of each bread. Oops, that naughty boy. Okay, I'll put you back together with your friends. Now the grated cheese. Put it again. It's not enough. Let's add some more. Good, perfect. Let's put it to the oven. Oops, no. Okay, let's try it one more time. Oops, I forget something. Here I add black pepper and some herbs on top of it. Here I add basil. And let's replay it one more time. Perfect. And ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy the baking process. After 15 minutes, it's ready! Okay, all YouTube viewers, after very quick cooking, 20 minutes, 5-minute preparation and 15 minutes baking, now we have our beautiful melted cheese baked bread with ham. So we're gonna try it. Okay, how melted is all you see, the cheese melts here. You know what? The specialty of this meal is the chewiness of the melted cheese and the softness of the cheese itself, and the crunchiness of the outer layer of the baked bread. I'm going to show you how beautiful it is. Wow, beautiful. Let's try the melted cheese here. And of course, together with the bread. Wow, it's very hot. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would like to know what you think about this recipe. Please comment down below the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. I have to continue eating my meal.